Dimension Annotation Module Function Introduction. Position Dimension. Note, when using this module's dimensioning commands, beam lines must be placed on either the beam or beam SE layer. Wall lines must be placed on either the wall or wall BR layer. Width of beam and wall. This command batch dimensions beam widths and wall thicknesses. Click the Width of Beam and Wall function. Specify the starting point and the end point for the width of the beam or the thickness of the wall dimension. The widths of beams and thicknesses of walls intersected by the line between these 2 points are automatically labeled. Width of beam and wall labeling completed. Eccentric positioning. This command adds location dimensions for offset center walls or beams. Click the Eccentric Positioning function. Specify the starting point and the end point for the eccentricity dimension of the beam or wall. Any beams or walls whose center lines are offset from the pick line and between these 2 points will be dimensioned on the drawing. Eccentric positioning labeling completed. Beam and wall centering. This command batch dimensions the distances between the midpoints of beams or walls. Click the Beam and Wall Centering function. Specify the starting point and the end point for the dimension between the midpoints of the beam or wall. Specify the alignment point for dimension position. Beam or wall center to center dimensioning completed. Point by point dimension. This command performs continuous dimensioning for a set of parallel straight lines. Click the Point by Point Dimension function. Specify the starting point and the end point for annotation the parallel lines. Select lines that do not need to be marked. Specify the alignment point for dimension position. Continuous point-to-point dimensioning completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.